In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat header rows when printing in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever printed a long spreadsheet and found that only the first page has the column labels, this is going to make your life easier. Repeating header rows ensures your titles and labels appear at the top of every printed page, so your data stays readable and professional. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. Once it's open, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file you want to print. If you already have a header row, like column names in the first row, great. If not, take a moment to make sure your headers are clearly set up at the top of your data so you know exactly which rows you want to repeat. With your sheet open, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, choose Print Ranges. This menu controls what parts of your sheet will print and how they're handled. In the submenu, click Edit. That opens the Edit Print Ranges dialog, where you can fine-tune your printing options. In the dialog, look for the field labeled Rows to Repeat. This is the setting that tells Calc which rows to place at the top of every printed page. To make selecting rows easy, click the small icon to the right of that field. It looks like a little sheet or grid and temporarily collapses the dialog so you can select directly on your spreadsheet. Now click on the row number you want to repeat. For most sheets, that's row 1, which is likely your header row. Make sure you click the gray row header on the left rather than clicking inside a cell. As you select, you'll notice the input box fills with something like $1, $1, which confirms your selection. If your header spans more than one row, maybe you have a title row and a labels row, click and drag across the row numbers to select them all. You can also use Shift-click to select a range. The field will update to reflect the full range, such as $1, $2, or $1, $3. Choose only the rows that truly belong to the header to keep your printouts clean. When you're satisfied with the selection, click OK in the dialog. Your settings are saved, and those rows will now appear at the top of every page when you print. If you need to adjust the selection later, just return to Format, Print Ranges, Edit, and update the rows to repeat field. That's it. With this simple setup, multi-page printouts remain clear, consistent, and easy to read from the first page to the last.